what you've been through.
Welcome. Thank you so much for being here at the Greater Pompano Beach Chamber of Commerce's new office at 2335 East Atlantic Boulevard. We are so happy to host our board here this evening and have our mayor come and do our ribbon cutting. It's an exciting evening for the chamber. Please come and participate. You and your business and the community, we want to support you in as many ways as we can. We look forward to meeting you.
I'm just really happy to be here for the Chamber of Commerce ribbon cutting here of their new facility. Partnering with the Chamber of Commerce, as the city has done for many years, is a way to make things happen in Pompano Beach for the business community, which results in jobs for our residents, economic activity, and partnering together, we've really made a lot of things happen. Look forward to working together in the future with the Chamber, and I'm proud to be here. Thank you very much.